Here's how to fix touchpad not working on Lenovo laptop. First, I recommend connecting an external mouse to your laptop. This will make it easier to navigate through the settings. Open the Start menu and select Settings. From the left-hand menu, click Bluetooth and Devices. Then scroll down and select Touchpad. Make sure the touchpad option is enabled. Next, open the drop-down menu and check that Leave Touchpad on when a mouse is connected is turned on. After changing these settings, test your touchpad to see if it's working again. If the problem continues, open the Start menu and search for Device Manager. Select it from the search results. Find Human Interface Devices and expand the section using the arrow next to it. Look through the list for your touchpad device. Right-click the touchpad and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers, then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers. From the available options, select HID Compliant Touchpad and click Next. Once the driver update is complete, test the touchpad again to see whether the issue has been resolved. If the touchpad is still unresponsive, return to Device Manager and right-click the touchpad device again. Select Uninstall Device and confirm the removal. At this point, your touchpad may stop responding, so you'll need to restart your computer. After your laptop restarts, Windows should automatically detect and reinstall the required driver. Check your touchpad again to see if it's working. If you're still having problems, your Lenovo laptop may have a dedicated keyboard shortcut that turns the touchpad on or off. Look at the function keys along the top of your keyboard and find one with a touchpad icon. Depending on your Lenovo laptop model, this may be one of the F6 or F7 keys. Once you've found the correct key, hold down the Fn key and press the corresponding function key at the same time. If you're unsure which key controls your touchpad, try the function keys that have a touchpad symbol until you find the correct one. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.